Since the dawn of history, economic life in the Gulf region has depended on pasturage, traditional trade, fishing, and simple handicrafts. The discovery of oil has been accompanied by a boom in construction, such as huge residential projects, and the building of giant industrial cities within the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This development during recent decades has caused a population explosion within Saudi cities. Where people previously used local building materials such as mud, stones, and timber, they were now using cement as the basic material for modern buildings. It is durable, efficient, weathers well, and is responsive to modern architectural designs. The Eastern Province Cement Company, previously the Saudi Kuwait Cement Manufacturing Company, was established as a joint stock company by Royal Decree number R11, dated 1403-1402 Hijra. The plant location has been carefully selected in the Al Qursaniya area, giving easy access to raw materials, and the Jubail seaport, which is only 70 kilometers away. The company is situated at the central point of its distribution lines, providing easy access to local and international markets by land or sea. The company head office is 150 kilometers south of the plant on King Fahad Road, Dammam to Khobar Highway. The design of the building has been inspired by the shape of cement silos and cost more than 70 million Saudi riyals. The towers of Saudi cement are considered to be one of the best-known sites in the Eastern Province, combining fine architecture with the optimum use of place. The towers provide office space for a number of important local and international companies. The company started its commercial production in 1985 with an annual production capacity of 2,100,000 tons of clinker. Production capacity and suitable pricing are not enough. Quality is also important. The specialized labs control and monitor the quality through all the production steps to ensure its conformity to the required local and international standards and specifications. Limestone passes through 3 crushers, each with a capacity of 800 tons per hour. The crushed limestone is then accumulated within specific areas holding up to 200,000 tons. The next stage is limestone grinding in 3 mills, rated at 1,130 tons per hour. And the mixed raw material is then kept in 9 concrete silos of 101,550 tons gross storage capacity. The burning of the mixed raw material is in 3 kilns. Each one is 4.6 meters in diameter and 70 meters long, with a production capacity of up to 3,500 tons of clinker. It is stored after cooling in 8 silos of 293,500 tons gross storage capacity. Clinker grinding is done in 4 mills with a gross capacity of 550 tons per hour. The cement is then stored in 5 silos with a storage capacity of 43,350 tons. Distribution is controlled by computer, which handles ready product loading, recording stock levels, and invoicing. The company has given great consideration to its workers' career paths by establishing the Plant Training Center. Subsequently, the training center has been equipped with modern training aids, teaching an approved international curriculum. There is an English language learning lab and a computer lab for the training of Saudi youth who have recently graduated from universities, technical colleges, vocational institutes, and secondary schools. Building confidence in Saudi youth is part of our drive towards Saudiization. These achievements have been crowned by winning the Saudiization Prize, presented by His Royal Highness, the Minister of the Interior, Prince Naif bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. The company also cares for the quality of life of its employees. The housing complex is 5 kilometers from the plant and contains well-furnished villas and apartments, giving employees a comfortable life outside of the workplace. There is also a well-equipped medical clinic. The history of the Eastern Province Cement Company is full of achievements, such as winning ISO 9001 accreditation and being judged the Ideal Plant Award. These stand alongside the prize from the Ministry of Industry for maintenance and the award of Quality Brand presented by the Saudi Arabian Standards Organization, SASA. But the company is not satisfied with these past achievements. There are plenty of upgrade and expansion projects in the pipeline. And the most important of the recently executed projects are replacing the old instrumentation system on the production line by a sophisticated central control system, as well as upgrading the CCTV system and weighting system. Installing online raw materials analyzers by using gamma rays on production lines to reach the highest levels of quality and the optimum use for limestone stock. Upgrading the first and second cement mills to reduce operational costs, and the addition of a new cement silo with a 2,500-ton storage capacity. This has scales and new lifting machines for jumbo cement bags of 2 tons each. To cope with industrial and construction expansion, in 2003 the company started to plan a 3rd production line for clinker. And since 2005, the annual output has risen to 3,300,000 tons. Using modern technology to match the growing demand of local and international cement markets. Our main markets in Saudi Arabia and the GCC, and the export of production surplus to international markets, dictates the highest standards of quality and technology in the coming years.